Come on, doesn't anybody pay attention to the sign?
That was some quick thinking, Glenn.
And look, even that plane with all the missiles is impressed.
Missiles? That's a military fighter jet! He's here to shoot us down!
Or she.
What?
They must think the hijackers still control the plane! And our communications are jammed, so we can't even tell him everything's okay!
Don't worry, I'll signal to him. Hey, we knocked out all the bad guys! See? We don't need your help. We kicked their asses and we have their guns.
I've got a visual on the terrorists. They've got a hostage in a blue shirt with a white collar. He must be an important businessman.
Copy that. Prepare to engage.
Oh, good. He's moving away.
No, he isn't. He's getting in position to fire. He thinks we're gonna crash into the strip. Everybody in your seats!
Frank Caliendo does a 5 o'clock show. Quagmire, land this plane.
We've been hit!
Oh, God, this is it. We're gonna die.
Like hell we are. We're gonna make it.
We're going too fast! We're gonna crash into that lake!
Oh, no, we're not. Oh, yeah, right there. That's good. And now to discharge the plane's fire retardant.
Giggity.
Wow, Quagmire, thanks for saving all of our lives. We're sorry for saying your job was easy.
Yeah, you're the best damn pilot in the world.
He's right. What you did up there was amazing.
Thanks, guys. That means a lot. Boy, that was quite a trip, wasn't it?
Sure was. And we learned a lot about blue jeans, didn't we, guys?
Yes, we did.
That's
yeah.
right, Peter.
Thank you for planning a wonderful day.
Cleveland! Joe! Peter!
Dad, I was really worried, so I pulled a record of your credit card purchases in San Francisco, and I saw some things I think you'd prefer to keep private.
We'll talk later, Chris.
I think we will. I do believe we will.
Well, let's head home. I know I, for one, am ready to put all this behind us.
Sounds good. Oh, yeah, in case we didn't say, this was Spirit Airlines.